In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the headlight switch assembly on this Ford F-350, located to the left of your steering wheel on the dashboard, so let's get started. To remove this headlight switch, you have to turn the headlights to the on position, pull out on the knob, and with a pocket screwdriver, you're going to need to stick it right in this opening here, all the way in, until you feel it bottom out, and then pry it out. Now what's happening is on the inside, it's actually going through the center of it and hitting this lock right here. This is holding the headlight knob in place. You're going to need to take it and flip it 180 degrees and reposition it as if you were installing it. Maybe twist it around to get it lined up and press it into position. And now with it upside down, what you're going to need to do is turn the headlights on, and that, in turn, will operate this little lock here that holds the whole switch assembly in place. You can now pull this out, disconnect the connectors that are on the back side. There are two of them. I'm going to use a pocket screwdriver to do this just because they're a little bit stuck. There we go. Make sure they don't fall inside the dash. And there's the headlight switch. Hold on to the wiring so you don't lose it. Take the new switch, line these up, and make sure they click into position. Now take the headlight switch, push it in place, and there it is. Test it out, make sure it works, which it does. That's perfect.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.